So let's take a peek at what's inside your soil kit. We have a soil color book here. They're all brand new. So let's try to keep them really away from water and away from too much sunlight. You have a tape measure, a 10x hand lens or a loop that we'll use to look at micro features, a small dropper bottle of 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Be sure to be really careful with this. Keep this away from your face and eyes. A water dropper bottle you can fill up at home, a 2mm sieve that will allow coarse fragments to stay up on top and the fine earth fraction, the less than 2mm fraction, to go through. You do not have a soil knife in your kit, but I would recommend you go pick one up. I mean, it can be a weeding trowel or a hori-hori knife like that, or really just a nice strong butter knife to get started. And if you're really hooked on soil science, you can invest in a better knife. You also have a binder with the following information: a couple of blank description sheets, a texture triangle, a key to texture by feel. This is a cheat sheet of the field book for describing and sampling soil that was made by Taylor Cullen-Mores, a previous student. Pet-on characteristics, we'll get into this a little bit later. Same here, family particle size class, sort of a cheat sheet that I like to use, and then particle size control section. So that's here in this binder for you. You'll be assigned a kit for the entire semester, and there's a couple items I'll let you keep, but otherwise you'll have to get it back to us before the end of the class. Thanks. So in your black tote bags, you're going to have 4 bags of soil. One of them is going to say texture. That's going to be our lab 0. You also need to make sure that you have Jackrabbit Canyon, Paradise Farm, and lastly, Lake Caddy. So you need to make sure each of you have 4 bags of soil, and those will correspond to our field labs.